How to add wireless Wi-Fi network manually in Windows 10 PC or laptop. If you're having trouble connecting to a Wi-Fi network on your Windows 10 PC or laptop, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a wireless Wi-Fi network manually. This is super useful if your Wi-Fi network isn't showing up automatically or if you need to connect to a hidden network. So let's get started. Now what you need to do is simply search for control panel and open it. And as you can see here, icons, simply click on large icons. Now go to network and sharing center. Here as you can see, set up a new connection. Simply tap on that and click on manually connect a wireless network. Here what you need to do is simply fill up the network name, security type, encryption type, and security password. And that's it. After you've simply clicked on that all of the things, what you need to do is simply click on next after you've done that. And that's it. You'll be manually connected to your Wi-Fi network.